Hello and welcome to the stream again. Today's gonna be a little bit different. So today, well, actually, a few days ago, Godot version 3.6 came out, and I think also the 4 point something came out as well. So yeah, today I'm going to be working on updating the project to Godot 3.6. First thing I'm going to do is I'm going to back up the project. I believe it is on my desktop. Just give it a few moments. 10 seconds. 5 seconds. Okay, that should be good. Now the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to download the new version. I use the .NET version because I have C#. Well, pretty much 99% of my code is C#. So yeah, I need to use this version of the engine. Okay. One thing that's kind of interesting about Godot is that you never actually install it. But I still like to, personally, I still like to keep the files for the engine in my program files. And then I create a shortcut to it on my desktop. Now, I forget how you add items to the classic shell menu. Oh, there we go. Pin to start menu, open shell. And there it is. Open it in the new version. Hold on, let me check the OBS. That's not OBS. Oh, would you look at that? OBS is broken. It's using the wrong window. How silly. There we go. Chat is now fixed, even though nobody's using it. That's embarrassing. I should have caught that beforehand. Okay, let's see if the project opens. It should, I think, in theory. Yep, it seems to work just fine. Let's see if it runs. Allow. Uh-oh. Object reference not set to an instance of an object. Okay. Is my screen flashing for you guys, or is that just my computer monitor? I'm not really sure, to be honest. It's hard to tell sometimes. Where's the player? Where is the player? Here he is. Yeah, I think that was the problem. I'm not sure if this is good practice or not, but I always oh well it runs. That's good. And anyways, as I was saying, I'm not sure if this is good practice or not, but I always keep like a global reference to certain objects like the player and the camera. It makes certain things easier. But I'm not sure if it's proper practice or not. I do it anyways though. Invalid call, non-existent function activate on base in base spatial. Okay, this sorry. So this is clearly something that is like an error message that was introduced by the new version of the engine. I mean, at least I'm assuming that's what's going on because. Sorry, I just drank some Coca-Cola. Now I got gas. So I'm gonna be burping probably. So, as I was saying, I'm assuming that this check call error, invalid call, is a new check call error that got added to the new version of Godot, 3.5.6. I mean 3.6. Because I didn't change any of this, right? So like this was always the same, and now it's throwing errors. But I know I think I think I know what's going on here. So what I think I could probably do is I could go like if child is equal equals Yeah, that should fix it. I'm probably going to encounter this error, or not. It's not really an error. It's more of a warning. I mean, it says it's an error, but it's not causing any problems. Yeah, I'm probably going to see it a lot because I've been using that call function a lot in the past. Okay, everything looks fine. No console errors yet. Okay, so mission accomplished. Project has been updated to 3.6. That tells me that it's time to get back to work on the level. Deep woods. My screen just flashed again. I don't know if you saw that or not. I'm gonna check the stream. Always good to be safe, I guess. But yeah, I'm paranoid because this one time during the stream, um, this happened for no reason that I know of. No idea what caused it. Suddenly the chat was like covering the whole screen. And yeah, I deleted the VOD because I didn't want that on my channel. All right. So let's recap what we managed to get done last time. Oh yeah, last time I was working on the script for when you talk to like NPCs. I made it so that the camera is like can be controlled by that script as well. Okay, so that seems to work pretty well. Now that's as far as the sequence goes. So now I think that when that last conversation happens, when he says, "Great job, you make a fine warrior," after that, I think this NPC should continue running along a route, along this path, and then I'll go all the way up to here, up to this entrance to this the next level. Should be pretty easy to do, I think. Oh, and we have to add some additional little checks where it's basically like, don't go that way, the wrong way. Let's do that right now. There's one. And here's another. This script is currently running in the editor. Where? What? What do you mean it's running in the editor? What are you talking about? No, I don't think so. As a Forsen reference in case you didn't catch it. Alright, so root 2, root point. This is going to have a lot more points in it, I think, because of the roundness of the path the NPC is going to be following. Here's point 3, point 4, point 5. And point 6 will be over here. And then I think that as soon as you touch this, there'll be like there will be a cutscene. I am going to hold on. Delete this Chirothian female. Let's make one of them is female and one of them is male. This is like the entrance, and there's 2 guards. That's the idea. I kind of like I like the cultural attire that I gave these characters. Actually, this NPC doesn't have it yet. He still kind of wears his generic, like a boxer as underwear. But yeah, a bunch of the other NPCs have like this cultural attire that I created for them. And then I made it so it's like customary for their warriors to wear like these masks on their face. Like it's a pretty cool idea. Oh, I need to actually set up these root points. Okay. Okay, test time. Testing, testing, testing. Aha! He follows the route. Okay. That's good. I just realized this thing has no collision. Oh. Wait, this is a GLB file. I never saved it as a scene file. Interesting. That's not technically correct, then it's not how it should be. Fortunately, that means I have to delete this. Enter it. And raise it up. Oh, oh wow, it's still under the ground. Try it again. There we go. Okay, so technically you're not supposed to be able to actually walk up here, but that's because I didn't add the loading zone yet. Yeah, immersion ruined. I can see outside the level. I mean, when this is done, you're not going to be able to do that in the first place. Oh yeah, there's also another thing that I need to... Well, technically it's already implemented. I just need to actually, like, use it. And as the camera collision system. Yeah, camera goes right through the walls right now. Easy fix. I can do that right now. There we go. Still kind of, you can still kind of see through the walls, but now it's like not as egregious. It's not a huge deal. Now, I think that when the player gets over here... Oh wait, I forgot to test these out of bounds colliders. Man, it's always something I'm forgetting. Hey, what's this? Oh, it's the same thing as before. Yeah, I thought we'd encounter multiple instances of that. Instances of that. Pardon my stutter. Okay. One thing I need to do is I need to fix this. What's it called? Cylinder. Okay. This is a guard, not a whatchamacallit. Let's get rid of this banana leaf. Replace it with like a spear or something. What's wrong with the texture? This is the wrong texture. Let's fix this. New ORM spatial material. What? What is that? That's new. Or is it? Yes, it is. Huh. I want to find out what that is. Standard material, 3D, occlusion, roughness, metallic. Okay, so or means occlusion, roughness, metallic. Interesting. Ambient occlusion is in the red channel, roughness in the green channel, and metallic in the blue channel. Okay. I'm not going to use that, but I can see how that would be useful. I use shader materials because there's a specific shader that I've been using. Okay. Saved. Saved. Let's attach a spear to this character's hand. Oh, that is a little bit big, I think. Oops. If node is suitable, this is probably the same thing. Clear enter. Yep, it's all the same stuff. This is an NPC. So okay. You're a little bit too big. Still, yeah, it's too big. Perfect. Okay. I think this is probably enough for today. So I think next stream I will work on the interaction between the player, the the follower NPC, and the guards that are going to be over here. This is one of them. The other one's going to be like over here, probably a male version. This is clearly a female, as you can see. But yeah, the other one's going to be the male. Actually, the fur color is wrong. I'm just realizing that. Should be brown, not white. By the way, I actually have like lore reasons behind like different fur colors for these NPC for this NPC race. It's gonna be like based on their environment. Like the ones that live in this forest are all gonna have like brown fur, kind of like the tree bark. And there's gonna be like these grassland ones that have like light yellow or light brownish yellow fur. And there's gonna be like these snow ones that have white fur. And there's gonna be like these volcanic ash ones that have like dark gray black fur. Yeah, I think it's but they're all like the same species, and I think yeah, I think I'm pretty happy with my idea behind this species of alien. I also like the other one that's like the invaders from space. Yeah, that's all I'm gonna do for today. Have a good night. See you next stream, or see you in the VOD.